one, these are the 5 reasons why you should be eating healthy. It may give you a happy and healthier life. It may help your bones, your muscles. It may help your liver, your kidneys, your organs, your digestive systems. And it may also help you to think, breathe, and be a better person also, and also feel better within inside of yourself. So eating 5 times a day may be too much, but 5 important things is that you make sure you eat, you make sure that you eat healthy, you make sure that you eat 3 times a day, you make sure that you drink plenty of water, and then what's most important at the end of the day, you make sure that you get plenty of rest, because it's also important to rejuvenate your whole system by resting, everybody. So 5 things on eating, make sure you do this, because we all want a better and healthy lifestyle, everybody, yeah? So food is important, and make sure you know what's going inside of your body as well, everybody, yeah? It must be organic, it must be freshly grown, it must not be GM modified, and it must not have any modifications to the food either, anyone, yeah? It must be produced coming from nature itself. Have a look, how beautiful. Big up yourself, 24 Hour Kitchen, good vibes.